So, welcome lovely people. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine and welcome you all back to another episode of Vishistic Vibes. I'm very excited today because after a very long wait, my laptop is coming on the way. It is told that it will be delivered today, so I'm very excited about that. I couldn't even sleep properly last night because I was very excited for this. So obviously this video is completely going to be about my laptop, or it will be about my Flipkart haul, what all I bought during this Flipkart Big Billion Days. And please watch the whole video completely to know the complete details of what all I bought and the specification and its small overview or review. So the next video is going to be a very much travel video. So this weekend I'm traveling to a location which is like a very known location, and I'm very happy to go there. So if you guys are new to my channel, if you don't want to miss all my travel videos and fun I have over there, please hit on the subscribe button, also hit on the bell icon to never miss the video. So right now I'm very much excited, but today is a weekday, so I have a lot of work to do. So I'll go and start my work and I'll catch you guys when the delivery guy comes. Okay? Cheers. The long wait is over. My laptop is right in front of my hands, and presenting before you my new laptop, the Asus ROG Strix G series. So before talking more about this baby, obviously you need to go and see the unboxing of the video. So you guys go and see the unboxing and then I'll meet you guys. Okay? To actually start talking about this laptop, this is actually a gaming laptop which gives you an awesome feel without breaking your bank, as simple as it is. So this is an entry level gaming laptop. I know it doesn't have much features. It has an 8 GB of RAM which is expandable up to 32 GB, and it has around 1 TB of hard disk, internal hard disk, and 256 GB of SSD. It comes with an iCore 9 generation processor, which is considerably good, and it also comes with an NVIDIA GTX GeForce 1650 4 GB graphic card, which I'm very happy about. And the reason I got this gaming laptop is because I wanted a laptop which can process a lot of my video editing software. So I got to know that gaming laptops are the best option you can get because it has good graphic card also. So that is the reason I mainly upgraded to this. So starting talking about the overall body and built nature of this laptop, this is made up of a polycarbonate material. It is not steel, it is made of a polycarbonate material, and it has a beautiful brush matte finish, which makes the laptop absolutely beautiful. And especially that glossy eye Asus symbol has made a really great effect on the look of the laptop. And even though I told you that it is made of polycarbonate material, it feels really strong and sharp, and this can move around to about 135 degrees easily, and it has a good viewpoint also. So, and there is no shake of the hinge also when I tap it very hard. But the gaming laptops never weigh less, or it is not sleek, it is not a MacBook or something. So it has a considerable weight of 2.3 kgs, which is considerably good because this was 5 kg, not 5 kg literally, but it was so heavy, but this is not. So this is considerably good enough. And yeah, black is my favorite color, and matte black and brush finish. Chumma. Yeah, next let's talk about the display of this laptop. This display of a laptop is the 15.6 inch display, and it has 1920 into 1080 resolution. Then it is a full HD backlit anti-glare display. I've been using this display for the past 3-4 days, and I have nothing to complain. Because I have not used it in the direct sunlight. I saw a lot of reviews in which they told that under direct sunlight there is an issue with the screen, but I will test that out and tell that in the next few videos. I felt that this space was left unwantedly here. So maybe they could have either covered the whole space or they could have given a camera. Camera, I don't think, there's no camera in Asus, and they don't provide this as an accessory also. And I personally don't feel the camera is very much, a wanted thing, because I've been using this laptop for 10 years and I rarely use the camera on the front side. I don't even know that it has a camera app. So that is the case. So I felt that this screen, that space that is there, they could have taken a little more to increase the screen size or do something else with this space. So right now the display is pretty good and I really like it. So talking about the accessories in the box, there are only 2 accessories in the box other than the usual paperwork. So this is a 150 watt charger, and I really personally like this charger brick because it has a beautiful logo here of this Asus ROG, and it is very sleek enough also, and it can charge my laptop in around 1.5 hours from 0 to 100. So I was expecting a pretty big one, but this is very sleek and nice, so yeah, I like the product. So now let's talk about one more major thing I liked about this laptop is the keyboard. I like this keyboard firstly because of this beautifully lit single channel lit, I think so. I don't know exactly what it's called. Single channel lit RGB lights, both in the keys as well as in the bottom below. That is really helpful in the night because that was one of my preferences. I wanted a backlit keyboard. So this is like RGB, so it makes it more beautiful. Best thing about this is the keys. So the keys gives you a nice pushy effect, which gives you a nice satisfaction when you type or when you click on that. And coming to the mouse pad also, they get enough space for the mouse pad, which is like really wonderful. And even in that, the right click and the left click mouse button is like really pushy, and obviously it is a preferences of people. I personally like this pushy keyboards very much, and yeah, I really like it. So it also comes with a beautiful graphics processor, that is the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650, and it also has 4 GB of graphics card, so which is really good, and I know that gaming is going to be really good in this laptop. This is like an entry level gaming laptop, so I shouldn't expect a lot of graphics to come up. I personally have not played any game because I don't have anything to install right now. My prime purpose of this laptop is not gaming. It is going to be video editing and normal usage with a little bit of gaming. So maybe when I start installing games and start playing a lot of games, maybe at that time I'll tell you guys how it is really working. But right now, from the reviews I have seen, the gaming is good, but not too much into gaming, but partial gaming is for that is a really good laptop. And it also comes with a Windows 10 Home original software, so which I feel is really good. So next, talking about what all is there around the laptop. Actually, this laptop comes with 3 USB ports in the side, so this and 1 microphone jack. I personally felt that they should have had 1 USB port either in the right side or behind, because usually we use the mouse in the right side, and if it is like from the left side, then we take that wire all around the laptop and take it to the next stage. So I personally thought that would have been better if it is on the 1 USB port is on the right side. Then in the behind we have 2 fans over here. These fans are very beautifully designed, that all the fan thing that is coming, it will go out directly opposite to you, so there is no heating effect under you or anywhere. So that is one very well thought, and it has 2 cooling fans since it is a gaming laptop, and the fan noise is barely minimum. So when I was using, I barely could hear the fan noise. And also with a lot of reviews I saw, all they say that even when you are hardcore gaming in this, even when the fans are like in highest speed, it is like barely heard. So I think in that case it is a bit silent. And it also has the normal HDMI port as well as the LAN connector and the charger. The charger point is at the back, which I really love. It is a very good point to keep the charger point at the back. Then on this side it is completely clean. I personally felt really bad about it because they could have kept at least an USB port here. So this is like completely clean, and yeah, nothing on the right side. Finally, talking about the battery life of this product, I don't think you can expect a lot of battery life in a gaming laptop. So when you get something good, you have to sacrifice for something. उतना में उतना ही मिलेगा. So in this laptop, maybe I can think it can come up to 5 hours, 5.5 hours. After that, you have to plug into a charger. So if you're looking for a very, very good battery life, then this is not a right laptop for you. But if you're looking for a good laptop which has nice processor in which you can do all your works properly, play good games, as well as get a very okay battery life, then this is one of the best products you can get. And in this price point, I think this is one of the best gaming laptops you can get. So I got it in a very great deal. So yeah, I'm very happy about this purchase. So that was all about my short review video about my laptop. So this actually Big Billion Day has been a very good time for me because it has become a Flipkart haul for me. I've also bought 2 other things other than my laptop as well. So here you go. So other than the laptop, I also got few more things from Flipkart. So this Big Billion Day has become a Flipkart haul for me. So for those who follow me for a very long time and also follow me on Instagram, they know that I am a sneakerhead. I love wearing a lot of shoes. But if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, it will be right here. So do go and follow me on Instagram. So what I did, there's a beautiful offers on all the Adidas sport shoes over there. So I got one nice beautiful Adidas shoe. So when I was getting one for myself, I also wanted to gift my dad one. So I got this also for my dad. This is like daddish type, so I got one for him. And I also got this laptop sleeve. Actually what happened is, since I bought my laptop online, I didn't get any bag or anything for that except this dabba. So I wanted to buy something for that, so I saw this sleeve. This is by a brand ASA and it is like very cheap only, it's around 400 rupees. So I thought I'll buy a sleeve for it, and it has a very good protection inside, and it also has a zip for your charger here. Yes, it pretty much fits my laptop, but the thing is exactly neck to neck. So I don't know whether I'll be using it or I'll be returning it. You guys will get to know about that in future, but the product is really good, so I wanted to promote it. So these are the 4 beautiful things I bought from the Flipkart haul and the Big Billion Day. Thanks to very much for Flipkart for delivering everything on time, and yeah, pretty good products. So that is why this video has become a a Flipkart haul. Yeah, I'm pretty much very happy about the products, and yeah, keep following me on YouTube and Instagram so you get to know a lot of things about these products. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys really liked it. And this is a small short video of my unboxing and review of my laptop and showing you small things I bought from the Flipkart haul. So keep following me on YouTube. If you guys are new to my channel, please hit on the subscribe button, because actually in 2 more days and this weekend I'm actually going to a place. So next video is going to be a travel video. So if you don't want to miss it, please hit on the subscribe button, also the bell button. For those who are new to my channel, I'm Vishal and I keep posting you beautiful and entertaining videos. So if you don't want to miss it, do subscribe. So thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, it's Vishal signing off. Live your dreams, love your life. Bye bye. Take care.